Okay, so Joseph, I'm sorry I had to cut you off before, but you're giving your perspective on what we're hearing here. First of all, it's very strange, very something we haven't seen a lot of, where you have this former attorney being questioned about what happened in the trial. He's under a position where he's being, I don't want to say accused, but he's the subject of this ineffective assistance of counsel claim by Harris's new attorney, and saying that there were mistakes made by him by not calling David Diamond. You're hearing about these complications. Again, what do you make of what we're hearing?
Specifically, what you are hearing is whether or not the former lawyer stood up enough or said enough to justify to the court why their ruling was wrong. And that's important because that's what he's using to say why he couldn't call the witness is because the court made a mistake and made a bad ruling, which prejudiced the defense, and I couldn't do my job. But what does all of this mean ultimately? And here's the best way to show you that. Be the defense lawyer for a minute. Now you're on national television being accused of being incompetent. That's embarrassing. It causes shame. In addition, it could ruin your business, let alone the freedom of somebody who may be innocent. That is a lot to swallow and a lot to face. And as a result, they will overcompensate and maybe reach or grasp for any straw that they can so that, to avoid public humiliation. And that will sound like answers that make no sense, kind of what you're hearing right now.
Well, what I like about having you on the program, Joseph, is you always tell us like it is. You never shield your thoughts on what we're hearing and what we're seeing. So we're going to take a break. When we come back, we're probably going to hear from more of Mr. Kilgore on